If you have a medical problem, you go to a doctor who's good at diagnosis and gives medicines which could be bitter yet effective to treat the problem. Our speaker of the day, a founder member of our RM chapter, a digital marketing guru, founder of his company InManTech, does exactly the same. Known for his straight talk, subject expert who could dig deep and analyze the problem and offer solutions that could sound bitter yet very effective. A person known for his consistency and persistence, not only in business, in swimming, playing golf, singing Bollywood songs, and participation in games and events conducted by the chapter. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our digital marketing guru, Sachin Dhariwal.
Thank you, Raghuram sir. I think you done great research on what I am. So thank you so much for your introduction. Friends, good morning everyone. This is Sachin Dhariwal I'm a founder InManTech Digi. It's a digital marketing consulting company where we enable clients' business grow online. Today, I would like to educate you most important part of digital marketing, most important part of internet, and most important part of InManTech, where we get a lot of revenues from them, and very basic thing which we all do. And today, I would like to take you one of our great service which we've been doing since 2003. So before I explain you about what it is all about, let me introduce to you a little brief history about me. Next slide, please. Yeah. I was born in Hyderabad, brought up in Raichur till 12th. I did my graduation in Mysore. I did my MBA in Pune. I worked in Pune for 2 years. I was a wanderer, and until I found my home in Hyderabad. So it has been a great journey since 2003. So InManTech was founded in year 2003. A lot of roller coaster ride. This is where we are, which you know how InManTech is today. Next, please. Friends, a lot of businesses has vision. According to me, visions keep changing, but mission seldom change. So I would like to introduce what's our mission. By providing trust-driven consulting, using high digital tech and innovative digital marketing solutions, InManTech Digi helps clients acquire more customers, optimize their marketing spend, create visibility, and build credibility through the right digital channels to level up their business online. This is our mission. And we certainly live up to the mission for every client we work with. Next slide, please. This is the length and breadth of InManTech. We've done 500 plus campaigns, 16 plus years of service, to be 17 year and 100 plus clients. We are a Google partner since 2007. And we've been doing Facebook advertisement since 2012. So this is the amount of experience which InManTech has to deliver what it is required for a effective digital marketing campaign. Next slide, please. So before, let's begin this. This was a recent post shared by our fellow member Chaitanya in Promotion Group. He was asking, well, InManTech Digi is visible along with other important areas. So how is that possible? Friends, it's not rocket science, but you will have to understand this is by being effectively, putting your business online effectively on search engine. And what are the components of search engine? You only know search engine with that search engine bar. But did you know there are other part of the search engine? Let me take you to that. Next slide, please. So being on search, the first being on search is, yeah, did you know, as I have told in my 30 seconds, 87% purchasers start with search engine. And what has happened when you are on search? It drives traffic to your website. You will start getting more phone calls for your business, for your walk-ins. And it will also increase shop visits because people will search ice cream center near me, ice cream parlor near me, good pizzas near me. So what will happen? It will just increase the stock visits. Yeah, next slide. So what is Google search ads? When you type wedding planners Hyderabad, in a couple of days, you're on top here. Like our friend Alankaran is here. This is called Google search ad, where you can immediately be there for. So why you should do a Google search ad? Next please. It will help you on top of the ranking. It builds trust. See, when people are searching and if you're people do not know it's an ad or it's a text. It only knows Google is searching, and Google has built so much of trust. And if you are there in Google, it builds trust about your brand. So what happens? There are chances of conversion, 40% greater chances than your normal listing or normal advertising. So it is best suited when you're looking for leads, when you're looking for the daily leads, when you're looking at so many leads, it can give you that lead. So you need to do a Google search ads, or people who have websites should do a Google search ad if they are looking for leads. Okay, if you're not looking for leads, you might be looking for something else. So what is that? Let's see in our next part of the Google Beyond Search. Next, please. Next. It's called search engine optimization. If you see how your ranking is going up, and if you know, friends, 95% of the people stay and click on things which are on first page. Only 5% of them go to second page. So it's not rocket science to tell you that you need to be on first page, and if you're on top 3, you have greater chances. So what is that? Bringing your website organic ranking on the top. It's called Google search engine optimization. So what's the advantage of that? Let's see in the next slide, please. You can see when you type UPVC Windows Hyderabad, Magnus UPVC is in one of the ranking. What will happen? It will help you to get visibility and also will get leads. Next slide, please. So what will happen? It's a free listing, you know. You will obviously have to pay for the developer who will do it, but it is some time. It could be 6 months activity, 3 months activity, or a 1 year activity, depending on your objective and competition, but it is free. It also helps build trust and great visibility. It's essential for every website, because having a website is one thing. If you're not on search engine, you will obviously not have a potential visitor. Today, Kamal Watch company, my friend from Kamal Watch is here. They would acknowledge after the PPT that 70% of the daily traffic comes from search engine optimization activity. Thank you. Next slide. Friends, this is what we referred on the map listing, Google Map Business. If you type fencing solution, you will see Just Fence. Now, this is where you can drive your phone calls. It can drive walk-ins. If you're here, it is very important you need to be here, because this will give you local business. Those near me keywords, the ice cream parlor near me, footwear store near me, diagnostic center near me, in this listing, your local business will come near you. So you need to be on maps. You need to be on local business. Next slide, please. Benefits: customer has contact details to connect. It will have your drive-in map location. You can add reviews, and when you have reviews, you will get great conversion. I'll give you a small example. We have a Darpan client. They have a store in Abbots. They have a store in Gachibowli. This was 4 years before. An NRI client saw a Gachibowli review as 4.4 and their Abbott store was 3.9. The NRI from Chikkarpalli went to Gachibowli store. went to Gachibowli store, habits were near. Why? Just because of Google review. So you can have people contact you just based on review, and reviews are available in that particular listing. It is essential for every business. Even if you don't have a website, this is very essential. Next slide, please. So friends, what to look out for? A business with a website, a business who can afford 20,000 per month for minimum 6 months, because remember, marketing is not one-time activity or a one-day activity, but it's perpetual. You keep on growing your marketing budget as you start getting. So businesses who has a 6 months budget, I consider them a marketing worthy client. Someone who has a website, and you can just connect me to the website designer and developers, they can be a good referral partners to me. Yes, next. Our major clients, go ahead, next. So these are our major clients. I can be happy to connect to you guys. Having a website is just a job done. Being on search is complete job done. And thank you for your patience listening, friends. I end this presentation. Do get in touch. Do connect me to your contact sphere and connections where we can help the business grow online. May I request my client, Kamal Watch Company, Siddhant Totla, to share their experience with Inmantech, working with Inmantech for so many years.
Hi everyone, Siddhant here from Kamal Watch. We have been associated with Inmantech since 2015, but I have been closely working with Mr. Sachin Darewal since last 2 years when I took over the Marcom side of the business. And I'm very happy to say I really like working with this company. Basically, the work they do, what they guarantee, we get that. Let it be SEO, SEM, the website development, everything, we get that. But more what I like about this company is its sense of professionalism. Each and every member in the organization works so professionally, and there is so much of clarity between what they are doing, what they want to do. Each and everything is documented, and each and everything has a set process. Because this field is a very ambiguous field, people can promise one thing, deliver something else, but we have never faced this issue from Inmantech. We are very happy. We have also increased our partnerships in just 2 months ago. From after the lockdown, we have discussed various methods. We have increased our partnership, and as per our new plans, we'll be increasing the partnership even in future. I can very comfortably, very proudly, and very honestly say anyone who's looking to grow their business online can always go to Inmantech DGI. We are very happy with them and their services. Thank you.
Siddhant, thanks for logging in. I know it is out of your comfort zone to log in at this time, but you being here and praising my team, Inmantech, it's just a great honor to have your words. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Raghuram sir. Thank you so much, Head Table, and thank you so much, members, for your time and attention. Over to you. Thank you.